In this video, we're going to solve one of the hardest, if not the hardest, problem on the recent AMC 10. I've enlarged the diagram, but you can't see the problem because we're going to need some detail to solve this. So the question states that every single one of these small gray hexagons has a side length of 1. And it's find the area of this large hexagon minus the gray hexagons. Let's start by finding the total area of all the gray hexagons. So to start, let's divvy up each of the gray hexagons into 6 smaller equilateral triangles, each with area of root 3 over 4. I got root 3 over 4 using the formula s squared root 3 over 4, where s is going to be equal to 1. So therefore, there's going to be 6 times 6 is equal to 36 of these smaller equilateral triangles. So that means the area of all of these gray hexagons is 9 root 3. Okay, now that we have this, let's go try to find the area of the big hexagon and then subtract 9 root 3. So to find the area of the big hexagon, we're going to try to find the side length. So we're going to add 2 lines to this diagram. First, I'm just going to clear this stuff. We're going to add that line and that line. So this is going to be 3/7 because it's an isosceles trapezoid, and that's going to be 1. So we know that this is equal to 1, and since this triangle is equilateral, this length is 1 and this length is 4/7. Since this shaded triangle is equilateral, that length is going to be 4/7. But since the black shaded region is a parallelogram, we know that this side length, the blue side length and the green side length have the same length. And since the blue side length has a length of 13/7, the green side length also has a length of 13/7, meaning that this is 4/7. Therefore, the area of the side length of this big hexagon is equal to 3. That's interesting. Now let's find the area. So as before, let's divvy it up into these equilateral triangles, except this time they have side length 3. Plugging it into this formula, it's 9 root 3 over 4. Multiplying that by 6 for the 6 equilateral triangles, we'll have 27 root 3 over 2. Now we have to subtract 9 root 3, which is equal to 9 root 3 over 2, which is the answer.